GDPR, why is it currently such a hot topic? Well, the bar is definitely going to be raised in terms of how companies can process personal data, whether it be of customers or their employees. But there is a lot of the old with the new, and the current regime will continue to apply through next May, as will the existing data protection principles that we all need to comply with. In terms of what we're seeing on the side of preparedness for GDPR, most companies are taking the right legal steps now in anticipation of its introduction, and they will get there. So there are two things in particular that have brought GDPR into focus for companies and their boards. The first is the new sanctions, put bluntly, the fines. The current regime gives limited powers to the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner to enforce the laws in Ireland. That's going to change. We've all heard about the new fines of up to 4% of global turnover, or 20 million, whichever is the greater. That alone focuses the minds in the boardroom. These are now put on a similar footing to, for example, competition law or antitrust fines. Secondly, the new concept that is enshrined in the GDPR of accountability. What does this mean? It means, if we look at the current regime, there is probably a primary focus on the protection of individuals' rights. Now moving into the new regime, there is a shift of emphasis onto obligations on the part of companies. So accountability means that companies have to be able to demonstrate compliance. So notwithstanding an identifiable data breach, companies have to at any time be able to show to the regulator or others that they have the proper processes and procedures to ensure legal compliance on an ongoing basis with the new regime.